You've built an amazing underwater world. Plants, decorations, and fish that feel like family. But suddenly, something's wrong. A guppy is hiding, a betta is gasping, or tetras have white spots. It's scary, but every fish keeper faces this moment. The real skill isn't avoiding sick fish, it's knowing what to do next. Today we'll break down the 7 most common freshwater fish diseases, how to spot them, and how to treat them. This is about protecting your whole aquatic community. Let's dive in. Please like, share, and subscribe to Fred's No Frills videos for more. First up, itch, white spot disease. It looks like your fish have been sprinkled with salt. Fish scratch against objects, show clamped fins, and may breathe hard. Itch is a parasite often brought in by new fish or plants. The white spots are cysts. The parasite multiplies quickly, infecting the whole tank. Stress and poor water quality make fish more vulnerable. Treat the entire tank. Raise the temperature to 80 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit to speed up the parasite's life cycle. Use aquarium salt or a commercial itch medication and follow instructions carefully. Continue treatment for several days after the last spot disappears. Fin rot makes beautiful fins look ragged or melted away, often with white, black, or red edges. It's usually caused by bacteria that attack stressed or injured fish. Poor water quality is the main culprit. Fix the root cause. Do a large water change and test your water. Keep ammonia and nitrite at 0. For mild cases, clean water is enough. For severe cases, use a broad-spectrum antibiotic. Aquarium salt can help if your fish tolerate it. Address aggression or overcrowding to prevent recurrence. With care, fins can regrow. Fish floating upside down or sinking. That's swim bladder disorder. It's usually caused by constipation from overfeeding or poor diet, especially in round-bodied fish. First, stop feeding for 2-3 days. Then offer a cooked, deshelled pea to help clear blockages. If infection is suspected, quarantine and treat with antibiotics. Often fasting and a pea fix the problem. Velvet appears as a gold or rust-colored dust, hard to spot but deadly. Fish scratch, clamp fins, and lose color. Caused by a photosynthetic parasite, it spreads fast in stressed tanks. Treat by turning off lights and covering the tank to block light. Raise temperature to 82 degrees Fahrenheit, 28 degrees Celsius. Use copper-based medication, following instructions closely. Treat for the full recommended course to eradicate all stages. Fuzzy, cotton-like patches on fish. That's a fungal infection, usually secondary to injury or stress. Spores are always present but attack weakened fish. For minor cases, quarantine and use a salt or antifungal dip. For severe cases, treat the main tank with antifungal medication. Fix water quality and remove sources of injury. Clean water is key to recovery. Dropsy causes extreme bloating and pine cone-like scales, usually a sign of severe internal infection. It's often fatal, but early action helps. Move the fish to a hospital tank. Add Epsom salt, not aquarium salt, to draw out fluid. Treat with a strong, broad-spectrum antibiotic, ideally in medicated food. Dropsy is a warning prevention and pristine water are critical. Act fast at the first sign. Columnaris or cottonmouth is a fast-moving bacterial infection often mistaken for fungus. Look for white, stringy patches on the mouth gills or fins and rapid breathing. It spreads quickly in warm, crowded, or dirty tanks. Quarantine affected fish immediately. Lower the temperature to slow the bacteria. Treat with antibiotics like kanamycin or nitrofurazone and add aquarium salt. Speed is crucial for survival. We've covered the top 7 fish diseases. How to spot, treat, and prevent them. The real secret? Prevention. Most diseases strike stressed fish, and poor water quality is the biggest stressor. Regular water changes, testing, and a good diet are your best defense. Watch your fish daily for early signs of trouble. Healthy fish start with a healthy tank. Thanks for watching. Keep your aquatic family thriving. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Fred's No Frills videos for more tips and guides.